Hello, I'm just doing a quick video today just showing how to drain the freshwater tank on a Fiat Rapido 709F. There's lots of questions online with answers, but I thought I'd just do a quick video because I couldn't really find any videos online on how to do it. So basically what you need to do is underneath the bed compartment, you'll find the little hole in the floor. Inside there, you can see you've got a yellow tap and this brass tap. So basically the yellow tap is the drain for the hot water tank. In this case we have the Truma 14 litre version, but the main one you need is that brass one there. Basically my little rim pull broke, so I've had to put a little keychain thing on there. But basically to drain the fresh water tank, what you need to do is just pull that little lever, as it were, up on the right hand side brass one, and that will start draining the fresh water tank. If you wish to drain the hot water tank as well, all you have to do is just lift the yellow one up into the hot upper position, and that will drain the hot water tank as well. Obviously that it forms part of your winter maintenance. Usually when I come back from a trip, I will just drain the freshwater tank and then flush it through with some Milton, just to keep the water in the freshwater lines at least all nice and sterile and clean. Well, I hope that video helps. Any questions in regards to the Fiat Rapido 709F, drop me a message, and if I can help I will. Obviously please like the video, have a look at my YouTube channel. I've got quite a bit on there in regards to cars, and there'll be a couple of bikes coming up soon as well. Hopefully it's all helped, and I'll see you in the next one.